Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. In this video, we are going to find the solutions of section 3, that is 3b of parabola. Intermediate second year Maths B, this is video going to be. Now start with the section 3 first question here. Now section 3 first question here, if the normal at the point t1. So normal here, so what is the normal formula here? So you will find in the page number, what we can say here, page number is 121 of your textbook. There you will find the 3.2.7 is a theorem, okay? So here the y minus y1 is equal to minus y1 by 2a into x minus x1 is a like a x1, this is x1 of normal to the parabola, where parabola is y square is equal to 4ax from this. Okay, so here the point t1 is equal to point t1 is equal to what we can take here, a t1 square comma 2a t1 will get we take, and point q t2 will think that, so here it will become point p2 is equal to a t2 square comma 2a t2 we have to take here. Now here uh, that point t2 also is given here, no? So then prove that the t1 into t2 plus t1 square plus 2 is equal to 0, we have to prove here. Now we'll submit here, this is on the parabola, t1 on the parabola means here we submit the x1 y1 values here. So it will become y minus y1, so y1 is equal to 2a t1 will come here is equal to minus this is y1, okay, so minus y1, so y1 means here 281, so 2a t1 will come here divided by 2a will come, so into x minus x1 is equal to a t1 square here, okay, 2a will get cancelled, so here what will remain, y minus 2a t1 is equal to, so minus t1 into x minus a t1 square will remain here. And again he's saying that the meets again at the point t2, so it is meet again t2 point here, point t2. So we'll submit this point t2 values in this one, so this is x comma y, will think that, so it will become y is equal to, we can replace is a 2a2 minus 2a t1 is equal to minus t1 into, so here x is equal to how much here, a t 2 square comma, sorry, minus a t1 square will come here. So from this 2a I will common, it will become t2 minus t1 will come here. Here minus t will be there now. So here I will common a. So t2 square minus t1 square will come here. So a will get cancelled here. Okay, a will get cancelled. From this minus t into, we can write it as this is t2 plus t1 into t2 minus t1. So these two and these two will get cancelled here, and this is what will remain here, 2 is equal to this minus t into t2 plus t1 will remain. This is t1, so t1 here. So 2 is equal to minus t1 into t2 will come here, and minus t1 whole square will come here. So this is all come to the left side of the equation, so it will become t1 into t2 plus t1 square plus 2 is equal to 0 will be the answer. So what we have to prove, this only. So here. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now second question is from an external point P. So external point P saying that tangents are drawn to the parabola. Itla. So okay. So I will erase it. I will write again. So here he's saying that external tangents are drawn to the like this one. Here this is a parabola thing that though. So here the y square is equal to 4ax, and parabola is given as y square is equal to 4ax is given, and what is given, and these tangents are make angles theta 1 and theta 2 with its axis such as cot theta plus 1, cot theta 1 plus cot theta is equal to, is a constant term. A is a constant, and here A is a constant, huh? Is a constant, and A show that constant A show that the P lies on the horizontal line. Okay, now solution here. So equation of the parabola is given at this one, and for this equation like this is a parabola, and equation is y is equal to mx plus c by a. So this one line a by m, sorry, c by a, c is equal to a by m, actually I forgot this one, c is equal to a by m. Okay, now here uh, this this equation is there, na, this tangent is passes through the here p x1 comma y1 so it will become y1 is equal to m x1 plus a by m will come here. From this we can multiply, so it will become uh, m square x1 minus m y1 plus a is equal to 0 will come here. Okay, so this will come here, and from this here if slopes are like slopes are m1 comma m2, we'll think that too. So here the roots of the equation will come as m1 plus m2 is equal to, so y1 divided by x1 here comma m1 m2 is equal to a by x1 will come. So these two values, okay, these two values you will find in the 123 page number, 123 page number, and question number is 123 page number. Question is fourth problem solved problem లో ఇవన్నీ మీకు కనబడతాయి. So these are all you will see there. Please go through that and watch that one. M1 plus M2 is equal to y1 by x1, and where M1 M2 is equal to a by x1. So these two values will get here. And after that, as a given that what is given here, this is given here. Okay, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to a. He's saying that a is equal to, he's saying that. Now from this we can write it as 1 by tan theta 1 tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2 also we can write it as is equal to a. Okay, so or else we'll take it as this is tan theta is equal to m1 and tan theta is equal to m2. So this is from 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2 is equal to a. So cross multiplication will do, so here LCM is come as m1 m2 near denominator here, m1 plus m2 is equal to a will come. So m1 m2 is equal to y by x1. So here I will write m1 by m2 is equal to y by x. This y1 by x1 we will write here y1 by x1. Okay, divided by m1 m2 is a by x1 will come here is equal to a, is equal to a. So x1 will get cancelled. Y1 is equal to this a into multiply a into a square will come. So y1 is equal to what we have got, a square, which is a horizontal line. So y1 is a horizontal line. So y1 is equal to a square. Now this is as a shows the horizontal line. Okay. So that he asked us to p is line on a horizontal line. So now moving to the next question. Now here fifth question is, if the normal chord a point t, so point t, okay, so on the parabola y square is equal to, parabola is given as y square is equal to 4ax is given as formula. Substance at right angle at a vertex, at a vertex, and prove that the t is equal to plus or minus 2 here. So this is a parabola thing, that though he's saying that a normal chord the parabola is y square substance the right angle. Right angle means here it will come like this right angle. Okay, and angle at the vertex here we'll think that too. Okay, and the proof that here plus or minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, right. So this place I will take it as q here, this place I will take it as r, and this is I will take it as a. Now here if the normal chord at a p t, so here what we can do here, uh, so normal, so what is the normal formula here, normal formula is the t though, so here tx plus y is equal to 2at plus a t cube is a normal. You will find in the key concepts. Okay, key concepts of your textbooks. So this formula. Now in this, I will bring this to the right side of the equation. Okay, so it will become tx plus y divided by 2at plus a2 cube is equal to 1. We can take. So 1 is a for this one. And what is here? I square is equal to, okay, 4x and then this one. So what is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, no? So 4ax into 1 we can write now. So these two are, we have to homogenize. Homogenize will do here these two things. So what will come here? Y square is equal to 4ax into 1. 1 is equal to 1 replace with the tx plus y divided by 2at plus a t cube will come here. So this will come here. Now I will do one thing here. I will take this denominator to the left side of the equation. It will become uh, so here a will get, so we'll do right next time. So here 2at plus a t cube into y square is equal to 4ax into ty plus, sorry, tx plus y. So from this a I will common, both sides will cancel. Here I will do 2t plus t cube into y square is equal to 4x into this is tx plus y will come here, tx plus y. Now what will get, this total value will get as, okay, so I retain here. So it will become, we will multiply with this one, so it will become, what will come here? This is 4x square t will come, 4x into tx plus, and this is 4xy will come here, 4xy will come, and anything can do here. This total to will take to the right side of the equation, it will become 4x square t plus 4xy minus this total will come here, 2t my plus t cube into y square will come here is equal to 0. Now here these two are perpendicular, so like in the angle degree, so this is perpendicular. So here we can take this AQ and AR. AQ and AR are in the perpendicular perpendicular form. So we can take it as coefficient of x square is equal to uh, plus coefficient of x square y square is equal to 0 we can take. Coefficient of x square is equal to what? 4t, and minus here y square is equal to coefficient of y square is equal to minus 2t plus t cube will come here is equal to 0, is equal to 0 will come here. So from this I will take this right to the equation, 4t is equal to 2t and plus t cube will come. So I will bring to this equation, it will become 4t minus 2t will come here is equal to t cube will be there, and t cube is equal to 2t will come here. This 4t minus 2t is equal to 2t. So t2 will get cancelled, t square is equal to 2 will get. T is equal to plus or minus under root of 2 will come here. So this is what we have to show here. So this is okay. Now moving to the next question. Here fourth question is the sum of the ordinates of the 2 points of y square is equal to 4ax, a parabola. So y square is equal to 4ax like that, and is equal to the sum of the ordinates of the two ordinates on the same curve. So here two ordinates and here again two ordinates, he is saying that, and show that the chord joining the first two points is parallel to the chord joining the other 2 points. So here these 2 points equal to these 2 points, he asking us to find this chord is parallel to this pad. This I will write again it one neatly. So here it will come like directly, I will write neatly here. So here parab is one thing is there. So here parabola. So it will be here chords. Okay. So here 2 points of the chord show that the chord. So chords. So I will take this as a PT1 chord, and this is a QT2 chord here, QT2, and PQR R T3 S T4. So this I will take here. Now solution here. So he's saying that the points and this equal to the, so these terms, this sum is equal to this sum he has to show. So this sum is equal to this sum, the curve. Now solution here, the equation of the parabola already we know that is given is y square is equal to 4ax is given here. Okay. Now equation of the chord joining to the, this equation of the joining to this one, and we discuss it is in the section 2 fourth question. You will find that the distance, like what we can say, the sum of these coordinates and equal to like the equation of the chord joining the 2 points, that will be like P T1 and Q T2. So we'll take it as uh, t1 plus t2 is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. So I already discussed this equation fourth question in the section 2. So please go through that and watch that one. Okay. And here from this is there na. So from this is y. Here t1 plus t2 into y is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. So from this we can write it as y is equal to from this. Okay. So y is equal to 2x divided by t1 plus t2 and plus 2a t1 t2 divided by t1 plus t2. So from this slope is equal to from this slope of this y, so it will become 2 by t1 plus t2 will come here. This is slope m is equal to Vitangarto or pq slope, this slope pq slope. Okay, and again we have to take another thing now. So this is rs. So r is equal to what? T3 and s is equal to t4 here. So s is equal to t3 and t4. So the equation of this one here between the 2 points is t3 plus t4 is equal to into y is equal to 2x. Okay, so here uh, 2x plus 2a t3 and t4 will come here. Okay, now this slope is also will come as 2 by t3 plus t4 here. This is also now here. So we can take it as these two are equal. If you want to show this parallel, no, so here these two slopes are equal, so it will become 2 divided by t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 divided by t3 plus t4 will come. So 2 2 will get cancelled and t1 plus t2 is equal to t3 plus t4 will come here. So this is answer where we have to show, we have to prove. And PQ and RS are parallel to each other. Now moving to the next question, third one. Now third question is given that show that the common tangents to the circle is given and parabola is also given here. Solution. So our required parabola is given y square is equal to 4ax is given and circle is given as 2x square plus 2y square is equal to a square. Okay, so from this 2 I will common to, so 2 into x square plus y square is equal to a square will come. So 2's will goes to right side of the equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2 will come here. A square by 2. Now here this is parabola is given and the equation of this parabola will come as tangent of this parabola will come as y is equal to mx plus a by m will come here. This is a tangent to the parabola. Now here x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2 will we got now. So from this center is we can take it as 0 comma 0 and r is equal to we can take it as square will go no, so it will become a by root 2 will get we can take here. Okay, r is equal to and so here and we have to show the parabola. So circle and parabola touch the same common tangent here. He asking us to find. Now here this is perpendicular distance to okay 0 comma 0 to center it is 0 comma 0 no. So here to the radius, this is radius equal to, so here we can take it as this will y is equal to mx plus c no, y is equal to mx plus c required tangent to x a by m. So here it will goes inside, it will become m x minus y plus a m divided by under root of m square plus 1 square will come here is equal to r. R is equal to what? This one. A by root 2 will come here. This mod. So x comma y 0 comma 0 here. The center no. So it will become if I submit the x value in this one, so it will become m into 0 minus 0 plus a by m divided by under root of m square plus 1 will come here. This is mod. Here a by under root 2. So it will become so from this we can write it as a by m divided by under root of m square plus 1 will come here, m square plus 1. So is equal to a divided by root 2. If we do squaring on both sides though, so if we do squaring on both sides, so squaring on both sides, so what will come here? A square by m square and divided by this will root will go, this will go. What will remain? M square plus 1 will remain. Here is equal to a divided by a square divided by 2 will remain. A square will by 2 will remain. So this is a square divided by m square into m square plus 1 will come here, and is equal to a square divided by 2 will come. So this 2 will get cancelled here, and what will be remain here? So what will be remain here? So 1 by m square into m square plus 1 here is equal to 1 by, so what will 1 by 2 will remain. So cross multiplication करें तो so m square into m square plus 1 is equal to 2 will get. So this is m power of 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So m power of 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So m square कॉमन निकाले तो इसमें से दो में से, so m square will remain here plus 2 will remain here, minus 1 common is to m square plus 2 will remain here is equal to 0. So m square minus 1 is equal to 0, and m square plus 2 is equal to 0 will come. Okay, m is equal to this is plus or minus 1 will come here. So hence the focus tangent parabola is going. So here we can take it as, we can tell that, so this is na, so here we can take, so this is intersected the focus of the parabola, it is minus 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax. So focus on the tangent, focus of a tangent the of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax will come here. So this is minus plus or minus to m value. So this is end of the question here, and first question here completed, second question is completed, now third question is completed, now fourth question is completed, and fifth question is completed here. So these are the total total sums are completed here in the section 3. Section 3 total sums are completed, and please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. So this is the end of this parabola chapter, parabola. Okay, so parabola total all sections are completed here. So please practice 4 plus 4 or 4 plus 8 or 4 plus 2 marks will come from this chapter here. Please do practice as per the convenience of the examiner. He will give the questions from this chapter. Thank you. Thank you guys. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you guys.